if you don't get up and start leaving right now, I'm going to put you in handcuffs and take you to jail. And I don't want to do that, okay?
You're going to put me in handcuffs?
Yes, ma'am. I need you to gather your things up and let's go.
Do you want to go sue?
I'm going to give you one more opportunity. Gather your things up and let's go, okay?
You're not going to be telling me that I'm going to be put to jail.
Well, just gather your stuff and then that won't even happen, okay?
A woman, a public library, a name she asked for, and an arrest that may have happened 10 seconds too soon.
Cindy, my name's Caitlin. We're going to move forward with trespassing you from our library for not following staff directive and banging the mouse. So you need to know you cannot revisit the library to here, or you will be subject to arrest. That's all locations.
He didn't give me no trespass warning. He just told me to stop. But I have music on, so I can't hear anything outside of here.
Okay, this is the trespass warning, and you can appeal that by mail, email, or through the web. So we'll give you this paperwork.
Okay.
And we're going to have to ask you to leave.
Okay, that's fine.
And then that's your legal trespass paperwork from the city of Orlando.
All right. What is his name?
I'm sorry?
What's his name?
My name?
No, the person that... What's his name? The
For
person
what?
that complained?
No one complained, you're just not following staff directive by...
There's a name, though. There's a name, though.
My name's on it. It's Officer Jalen Chris.
No, the person that made the complaint.
Okay, ma'am. You're leaving right now or you're going to end up going to jail, okay? So
I can't go to jail because I didn't do anything. I didn't commit any crime.
Well, as right now, you're being told to leave and you're refusing to leave. So if you continue to refuse to leave,
I'm not
I'm going to
refusing
take you
to
to
leave.
jail.
I'm not refusing to leave.
Okay.
How would I be taken to jail? There's no evidence.
Okay. Just gather your things and we'll walk out so that way it doesn't even go that route, okay?
But you have to explain how I would be taken to jail.
Ma'am, if you don't get up and start leaving right now, I'm going to put you in handcuffs and take you to jail. And I don't want to do that, okay?
You're going to put me in handcuffs?
Yes, ma'am. I need you to gather your things up and let's go. Do you want to go sue? I'm going to give you one more opportunity. Gather your things up and let's go, okay?
You're not going to be telling me that I'm going to be put to jail.
Okay. Well, just gather your stuff and then that won't even happen, okay?
Can you get the employee's name, please?
No, ma'am. You need to leave.
You need to give me the employee's name.
You can go through the appeals process and put my name on the one issuing the trespass. My name is Caitlin Hill and it's on that.
But there was the situation that I have to explain if I take it further.
You're being trespassed right now.
Then why are you telling me what to do and I'm simply asking for a name and I can't get a name?
Or you're going to be arrested.
I'm not going to get arrested.
You need to leave now.
I'm not going to get arrested.
As long as you leave, then yes, you will not get arrested.
How would I get arrested though? Explain how we get arrested.
Okay.
You have to have a probable cause before you get arrested.
This is one more chance. You stand up and leave or I arrest you right now.
I'm not scared of your arrest.
I'm not trying to make you scared.
No, you're very unprofessional. All of you.
Okay. You're going to get up or we're going to go to jail?
You're very unprofessional.
There we go.
I'll meet you downstairs. I'll walk this.
Okay.
It's fine because I'm going to sue you guys. I'm going to sue you guys.
Just grab your stuff. You don't need to worry about any of that. Grab your stuff and let's start walking towards the exit.
You're not going to tell me what to do. You're telling me to leave, so I take my time and leave. And you're going to have to get ready for a lawsuit. What's your name?
Ma'am, start making your way towards the door
What's
with
your
your
name?
things.
You don't even
You're now under arrest.
Florida Statute Section 8 to 10.08 defines trespass as remaining in a structure after being warned to depart by an authorized agent. That warning was issued. Paperwork was delivered. But Cindy stated she had headphones on and never heard the original directive. That defense was never addressed. Under the 14th Amendment, effective notice is a prerequisite to lawful enforcement, not a formality. Cindy then asked for the officer's name to file an appeal. The same appeal process the supervisor had just described on the trespass paperwork itself. Officers who introduce a procedural right into an encounter cannot then deny the information required to exercise it.
You didn't even stop. I'm just asking for a name.
Now under arrest.
I'm just asking for a name.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting. I'm about to leave. How can I be arrested if I'm
Oscar
about to leave?
700. Can I get a 45, please?
I'm about to leave.
Put your hands behind your back. I don't want to hurt you. Stop.
I'm about to leave, though.
Stop.
I was just looking at the name. I was just looking at the name, sir. I was just looking at the name. I was just looking at the name.
Stop.
I was just looking at the name.
Stop.
I promise you, I was just looking at the name.
We're on the 4th floor. I'm going to have it.
I was not resisting. I was just looking at the name and asking for the first name.
Stop moving. Stop. I don't want to hurt you, ma'am. Stop.
Sir, Just let me explain. I was just looking at the name. You saw me get up. You saw me get up. I was about to leave. I promise you.
If I move her now, I'm gonna hurt her, so I'm just gonna wait.
I was just asking for the name.
It's all right.
Please.
I got you.
Sir, I was just asking
I
for
have
the
one
name.
resisting. Just send me 45. Don't initiate a 44.
Oh my God.
I'm holding her now. I just need one more to help me cuff.
I was just asking you for the name, sir. I'm not even resisting.
You gonna let me put your hand in this cuff, or are you gonna wait for 4 more people to come and do it?
I'm just can you please listen to what I'm saying, because the whole time you guys did not listen. I
They're
had
here, so I'm
music
just gonna wait for
on.
them.
I had music on.
Okay, well now
I
you're under
promise you,
arrest.
I'm not gonna come to this library. I don't really care about this library like that.
Okay.
I
Well, you
was
should have
not
left when I
resisting. I
said
just
to.
asked you for the name because this is a situation that I have to appeal. So I didn't see your first name. That's it. I was just about to leave. I have no problem leaving. That's not even worth me going through all that.
When you guys come up to the 4th floor, go to your right, past the computers. Back like you're going to the back of the library.
You're making all this for a big deal for no reason. Sorry, I'm not objecting. You're making this a big deal for no reason. I was asking for the name. The lady just mentioned appeal, and that's all I was doing. Just for asking for a name?
We gave you the name now.
No, you didn't. I just asked for the first name. I honestly, J. Cruz. How am I supposed to appeal that and take a further matter without no name? And I'm asking her for a name. Nobody wants to give me their name. How is that even giving me a trespass when I'm about to leave?
One on the left arm.
I'm about to literally leave.
Do your result, please. Okay? Thank you so much.
Stop. Do not twist around.
I'm not. I'm just simply asking for the name.
You're not resisting.
Is it
You'll
okay?
get all the information you need. All right? Just let us get you secured in handcuffs and we'll figure things out, okay?
Okay.
The arrest was declared as Cindy began to rise from her seat. Section 8 to 10.08 requires a willful failure to depart, not a pause, not a question mid-compliance. Florida courts require a clear, deliberate refusal. Whether standing up while still talking satisfies that threshold is a legitimate legal dispute. The second charge, resisting without violence under Florida Statute, Section 843.02, requires physical obstruction of a lawful duty, not verbal objection alone. State v. Espinoza, decided by the Florida 3rd District Court of Appeal in 1996, confirms passive resistance pulling away, refusing to present hands, can satisfy the statute. Verbal protest cannot. On use of force, Graham v. Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989, requires objective reasonableness judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of the decision. On arrest authority, Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001, confirms the Fourth Amendment permits custodial arrest for minor offenses, including misdemeanor trespass. The legal vulnerability here is not the authority to arrest. It is the timing initiated at the precise moment compliance appeared to begin.
Yeah, again, I'm sorry,
I'm not
guys.
even doing anything
We really tried to give her every chance to walk out, but she didn't want to.
No, he didn't. I was just about to get out. I was just about to leave. You can ask anybody else.
Come on, now we're walking out.
It'll all be documented on body cam, remember?
Troy, can you grab her stuff and meet us downstairs?
That's ridiculous. How am I supposed to get arrested for? Oh, this is ridiculous.
Thank you.
I'm not about to go to jail. You guys are gonna let me go because
You're under
actually-
arrest, man. You're going to jail
No,
right
I'm
now.
not. Then view the body cam. View the body cam. View the body cam.
All right, give us a
What's
minute.
done is done.
Please.
All right, give us a minute.
What's done is done, okay?
No, please. I was about to get up and I just asked for a name and he put handcuffs on me. That makes no sense.
All right, we'll take a look at the cameras.
Please do. I was just
Okay.
about to leave. What
All right,
the
give us a
hell?
second, okay? Just bear with
I
us.
have work to go to. I have things to do.
All right, just
Next
bear with
time,
us, okay?
just get up and leave next time.
I promise you, I'm not a person that care about this life like that. There's other libraries I go to. I don't need this issue right now.
Okay. Next time, just follow instructions. Okay, that's all you gotta do is instructions, and nothing bad can happen.
I appreciate you for saying that.
That's all you gotta do. You're welcome.
Come on, let's go.
I have to go to work today. I cannot miss work.
I wish you would have just walked out with me the first time I asked.
I'm asking you for a name. And that's all I
It was
did.
on- it
I
was on
didn't
the
say
paper.
I'm not leaving. Usually there's a refusal. I would be like, okay, make me leave it or something like that. I did not do all that.
Okay.
I did not do that. It doesn't make any sense. I didn't even refuse anything. I just asked for a name. I thought you were gonna let me go.
No, you're going to jail, man.
I'm not going to jail. I only asked for a name. I didn't do any refusing.
Listen, we're beyond
But
that.
this thing is
Listen,
refusing.
stop. Yes. At this point, you're going to jail. Okay, don't make,
No,
listen,
I can't
listen.
possibly go to jail.
Sarge, you guys don't have a
Make things
female, right?
worse.
No
Not
female.
doing anything extra.
I have
okay?
to. I have to contact my lawyer. I have to do all that. I did not
You
do
would
anything
be able to do
wrong.
that at the jail, but at
Just
this
if
point,
No, I
I don't mind
can't.
searching,
I
just,
can't.
you know.
I can't, sir. I can't.
well, that's what's
I
happening.
can't. I didn't even do anything wrong. Are you kidding? I just asked for a name.
Don't make anything worse because then
didn't
you're going to be in there
resist.
longer. If
Is this somebody that I didn't do anything wrong?
Here's your report electronics. That's all I found that looked like to have any value. Is there something else
You
like
have to explain the situation. I can't leave out the explain.
you're under arrest and you're going to jail? You're
There has to
back
be a reason, though. There has to be a reason. This doesn't make no sense.
trespassing.
That's it. But I didn't do anything. I just literally told the guy that I'm about to get up. I just looked at the name.
Outcome. Cindy pled no contest on September 24th, 2025. Adjudicated guilty on both counts. 5 days Orange County jail time served. Court costs $686. Officer Cruz, grade C+. Legal authority was present, but no final confirmatory command was issued before physical contact, and the headphones defense went entirely unaddressed. Cindy, grade B. Coherent defense, no aggression, correct legal instinct. But once directives were repeated and unambiguous, departing first and appealing afterward was the legally sound move. Lesson 1. A directive that is not demonstrably received cannot legally support a willful refusal to comply. Lesson 2. Arrest timing matters. Initiating custody as a subject begins to comply weakens the charge and invites constitutional challenge. Lesson 3. Comply first, challenge later. The appeal process exists for exactly this reason, and it costs nothing to use it from outside a jail cell. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.